In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your Apple Watch face. First of all, let's see how to change your watch face from your Apple Watch. All you have to need, go to your watch face. Now, long press on your watch face. And here, swipe to the left side until you see this new option. Just tap on this plus icon. And you directly jump into Apple Watch face gallery. Here, if you scroll down, you get bunch of different watch faces category. You can select any of the watch face category from here. Just tap on add, and then you directly jump into the specific watch face editor. Here, from this color section, you can just go ahead and select a different color, just like this. Then swipe to the left side to go to the complication section. Here you can just go ahead and tap on complication to add complication, just like this. And now once your editing finished, just press the crown. Again press the crown, and as you can see, I've successfully changed my app face. And if you have added multiple watch faces, to switch between your watch faces, you can just swipe to the left or right side to change your watch face, just like this. Now let's see how to change your watch face from iPhone. On your iPhone, open the watch app and select my watch, and here you find the faces options. Just tap on edit, and here you find all of your added watch faces. You can just delete or rearrange your watch faces from here. And now to add new watch faces, you have to go to face gallery. Under face gallery, here you find lots of watch faces. If you scroll down, you can just select any of the watch face. You select this one, for example, and here you can just customize the watch face. So go ahead and customize, then just tap on add, and we can see the watch face successfully added. Now I'm selecting the watch face, and we can see the watch face successfully applied to my Apple Watch. So that's how you can actually do it.